Good morning. This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Education without action is just entertainment. That is a positioning statement for Bonerato Creative Group. This guides us in our writings, lectures, and consulting. In most cases, education comes before action. However, in dealing with formal education, first comes investigation, then action, then education. Allow me to explain. One purpose of formal education is to teach us how to use our brain to learn. We train our brain to use critical thinking, which leads to discernment. Discernment requires us to look at an idea, action, or situation from many different angles in order to determine the best idea, action, or solution. Without discernment, we're left chasing shiny objects, the latest idea, the most popular action, or the quickest solution. We even fall back on, that's the way we've always done it. Discernment comes from investigation. We question the who, what, when, where, why, and how of ideas, actions, or solutions. We ask those questions as we look at the information we have. Who presented the information? What is their motivation and their preferred outcome? When and how was the information obtained? And why is it important now? That is the method of critical thinking. Not using critical thinking leads us to indoctrination by those who seek to get what they want with no concern for its effects on other people. By taking the education that is presented, while not asking the who, what, when, where, why, and how questions, we're left with only one idea, one action, or one solution. Indoctrination should never be the purpose of education. Consider the formal education offered in many schools and colleges. Who writes the materials that's being taught? What was their motivation? When and how is the information presented? Why and where is it being taught? Is there only one point of view accepted? Are these schools the only one receiving tax dollars? And finally, are these institutions controlled by those who teach critical thinking, or those who demand acceptance, obedience, and conformity to their point of view? Let's return to the correct way to approach formal education. First, investigate the institution and staff to determine if it's right for you or your children. Then take action to get the best training that is in alignment with critical thinking and freedom of thought. When you do, you will achieve the best education for yourself and your children. And that is today's Morning Minute.